In less than 2 minutes, you will learn how to get Sora tool for free. First thing you're gonna need a Discord account, ChatGPT account, and a Sora account. In some cases, some country may not support Sora, just like in my case. If you are outside of the United States, you might need a VPN, like WinScribe or NordVPN, depending on what you are comfortable with. For me, I'm using WinScribe because it's giving me free usage of 2 gigabytes, and if verified the account, then I'll get up to 15 gigabytes for free. I'll turn on the VPN right now and then go to the store page, refresh the page, and here we go. Since this page requires for me invitation code and I don't have the invitation code, the most important part now, we go to Discord, join the server called OpenAI. I'll leave all the links in the descriptions below. After logging in, you need to verify your account with them. Click next, 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 and scroll down, finish. In here, you will find Sora 2, the new room, which is in the Discord account. If you go there, you will find a lot of community people. They are sharing their codes and they are giving it for free. For my case, I have a brand new account and I will look up for a code and then activate it and be back. This might take up to 5 to 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I managed to get the code and then I already get the code started. Since you are new to my channel, I'll give you this code for free. Here is the invitation code, use it wisely, enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.